It's Tuesday, July 2nd, just following up on the SPY. It's definitely grinding up higher here. I entered it here on bar number 5, I believe, when it was it moved up on bar 1, pause, broke out. I'm anticipating kind of a strong follow through. It's not really doing that, which has me a little nervous, but it's tried to, fail a few times. Now starting higher. So I'm just going to actually do no worse than break even on this trade. I bought these 543 calls here at 389. They're up to 426 right now, 427 on the ask. So they're definitely moving up, and that's fine. And, I really expected a stronger move out of here, but it could just be delaying and heading up. But if this thing fails and comes back into that first bar range on a red bar, I'm going to do no worse than break even. And then if it really fails and comes down through the midpoint of this first bar, I would actually consider going short if I see something that looks like it wants to test the low of the day, get to the pre-market lows. We still could be, even though we're green at the moment on this weekly chart, we still have a shooter bar from last week that could just hold in here, fail, and take out the lows of that bar, and we're above that purple line, which is the open of the week and the month. So that's why the bias is to the upside. Everything's to the upside at the moment, but given the fact we're not breaking out strongly, I just wanted to point out that any kind of failure in here, I'm going to just break even at worst at this point. I'm getting ready to scale out, set up a no risk trade. We'll see if this 2-up day, can work into the, how it kind of treats the midpoint of that selling tail. The target here is all the way up here. I don't sense that there's enough time in the day, or the way price is going, we're going to come anywhere near there. That's why I'm a little nervous about it. But, sometimes price does this, where it kind of just doesn't know what it wants to do, even though it's moving up, and then momentum just kicks in and it goes up all day long. So good buy on the SPY here. It's just a matter of how you want to treat it right now, watching the price action, knowing that the targets are up here, knowing that there's resistance over right here at the midpoint of this tail, knowing that, if we fail to really break out of this on this hammer bar, maybe we still have the shooter bar from last week, this 3 bar that can get a 3, 2 down, 2 up, that doesn't reach its target and starts lower. So all kinds of things are unfolding, but at least it's moving up now. And, that's good, because for the first 3 or 4 bars, it really wasn't going anywhere. And now we're going higher. I can see the options are up here, 455. So you could easily scale out here, set up a no risk trade, and then see what develops for the rest of the day. So we're going to watch now the 15-minute price action, see how much higher it wants to go. Hopefully one push up, pause, second push up. We'll see how it relates to these targets, and we'll see what happens in the days ahead. But at the moment, at least, we're kind of holding the bottom of this range, working to the top of the range, and you can treat it all at no risk right now. So just thought I'd follow up on the SPY.